What's going on, guys? My name is Liam here, and we are bringing a little bit of a video today, but it's not going to be an unboxing only. These are actually new taillights for my Charger, and they are the stock taillights, just a little bit darkened out. I didn't feel like getting them painted because it's going to take too long, and so I got these off Amazon, and hopefully they're going to be better than stock, so I figured I might as well get this done. And it's about 3 days till I leave to college, so I'm trying to prep my car, make it look all good and stuff before I get there. So yeah, I'm gonna open these taillights up, show you guys what they look like on camera here. Ooh, those look clean. Oh yeah, these are nice. These are very nice. I'm a fan. Those are nice. They're not crazy dark. They're much darker, but they're not crazy. I like these. These are gonna be nice on the car. These are gonna look good. These are gonna look really good. It looks really dark on camera actually, but I promise it's not that dark. Well, it's kind of dark, but it looks good. So, all right, you guys know how this reel is. I'm going to call my grandpa and he's gonna come over and we're gonna install these together because he and I both like to work on cars together. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'll pick it back up when we start going on them. So I'm just gonna show you guys what the stock taillights look on the car. Really red, so I wanted something a bit darker than that, so hopefully it looks a lot cleaner on the back there.
Yeah, how you doing?
Relax, doggo. Alright, they're in my room, in my bed.
Oh, what you got?
What do you think of them?
Wow, those are super cool.
I know, they're so clean.
Oh my lord. Those are beautiful.
I love them.
Wow.
Yep, so the 3 mounting points would be there, there, and there.
Yep.
Take that out, and then we'll
pop the new
bulbs, and that should be good.
Man, they are something else, Liam.
I love them, and they're the stock ones, just darker.
Really?
Yeah, that's the same as the ones on the back, just darker.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Hold them on. Hold the brake on. Right in
So that's what the taillights look on the car afterward. It looks way better off camera. It's actually a lot darker. But got them on there. Had to do a little DIY stuff with the stock ones to put these on. The mounting harness. But all around looks good as heck from behind. Much better than stock. And for 90 bucks, man, these really look a lot better than they did before. So yeah. Wow. I'm actually super happy with the way these turned out. They look so much better. So much better. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like down below. I'm going to leave a link to those taillights in the description if you guys are interested. They're basically the stock taillights, just darkened or blackened out more than the stock ones are. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you are new, and peace out, everybody.